our team Gits from BTCS Astana. Our goal is to design and build a faster and energy-friendly RC board using an Arduino control system. Our board is controlled by a 2 and 4 gears radio transformation and resistor contacts to add Arduino on. A DC monitor protects vents and a servo motor control the rudder for present stereo. The hull is 3D printer for plan and design is solid works for high speed and stabilization. The project is currently is the testing place. The electrics and structure are ready and we will soon begin water transfer optimization firmware. Thanks you for watching. We look forward to the next stage for the board racing